My name is Atul Bhoye, and today is my presentation topic requirement and selection. Requirement and selection process. Introduction. The company is known by the people and its employees. Human resource is the combination of quantitative and qualitative assessment of human being in the society. It does not mean only the numbers of people working in the organization, but it is the aggregate of employee and employee skill, knowledge, ability, talent, attitude, and creativity. The success and future of the organization depend on the extent as to know much effective experience and compa- compatible employee are process and required contents introduction and company profile requirement and meaning and definition requirement process selection meaning and definition selection process and conclusion company profile and requirement process planning strategy development screening screening searching evaluation and control requirement from the first stage in the process which continues with selection and case with to require the number and type of people necessary to ensure the continuous operation of the organization meaning and definition. In simple terms, requirement is understood as a process for searching and obtaining applications for jobs for among the available recruits. A formal definition of requirement is requirement planning. The first stage in the requirement process is planning. Planning involved the translation of kindly job vacancies and information about the nature of those jobs into a set of objectives is targets that specify the number and types of application to be planned. Strategy development made or by employees and technological sophistication requirement and selection devices. Geographic distribution of labor marks conference job skills and sources of requirement internal sources external sources and searching source activities takes place when a job vacancies exist in the organization if the organization has planned and well the does a good job of developing its source and search method. Activ- Activation soon result in a flood of applications. Selling the both of the manage and media received attention in the organization message refer to the employment achievement media refers to the source of the recruitment manage employment exercises advertises in business managing screening. The purpose of screening is to remove from the requirement process at an early stage those applicants who are visible qualified for the job. Effective screening can save a great deal of time and money. Care must exercise to ensure that potentially good employees are not lost. Selection has been regarded as the most important function or of HR department is ensure the organization that it has right number right kind of people of the right place and the right time. Message and definition. It is the process of definitioning between application in the order identify those with the greater likelihood of success. Evaluation and control. It is necessary as con- it is necessary is as considerable costs are incurred in the requirement process. Statistical information should be ge- general evaluated to known as the suitability of the requirement process. Selection process. Preliminary interview, selection test, employment interview, referral and background checks, selection decision, physical examination, job offer, and contact of employment, evaluation of selection program. Primary interview. The purpose of the interview is to require scrutinize the applicant's elimination of equalization filed application. Selection test. Different type of selection test may be administered depending on the job and the company. Generally tests are used to determine the application ability, aptitude and personality. Employment interview. The next step in the selection process is employment interview. An interview is conducted at the beginning and the selection process of the employment interview can be one to one interview or panel interview. Reference and background checks. Many employees request names, address, telephone numbers, or reference for the purpose of verify information and gaining additional background information of an applicant. Selection decision. Selection decision is the most critical of all steps in selection process. The final decision has to be made from the pool of individual who pass the test interview, the reference checks. Physical examination. After selection decision and before the job after as made, the candidates is required to undergo physical fitness test. A job offer is often contingent upon the candidate being decided after the physical examination. Job offer. The most step is a selection process is job offer. Job offer is made through letter appointment. Such letter generally candidates date by the which the appointed must report on duty. Candidate of employment basis information is a written and conduct of employment that varies according to the level of job. After and uh, acceptance of the job, each document in is the attestation form. Evaluation of selection program. The sole test of effective of the selection process is a systematic evaluation of the product. Audit is conducted in the HR department that outlines and highlights and areas which need to be the evaluation in the selection process. Conclusion. Speleology Technology Limited, a technology organized company, is known for the excellent in the software industry. Today the company Today the company follows as well defined sold and effective requirement and the selection policies and procedure. Company can adopt physiometric testing as one of the requirement test in order to understand candidates in a better way and to know candidates emotion intelligence choose consequence in group and leadership qualities etc. This the company has scope of increases the number of the employees to operate for its further establishment and expansions of business and to increase the waste human resource in the competitive achievement. Thank you.